presenting the 2013 Mazda 3. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include air conditioning, power steering, power windows, clock, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel radio controls, driver airbag, passenger airbag and side airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.